haul of Walmart. And by the way, there's like no fidgets in here. This is like a haul of Walmart without any fidgets. First is my sister's things. First is this Chelsea. Next is this BFF thing for her and her BFF. Super cute. Next is pink glitter glue. Lastly is this activator. Now for mine. First is this activator. Next is this brown paint for something. Next is this white paint. And here's this glue. Lastly is this giant thing of puffy paint. Now let's open everything. We're not opening the slime things though. First I'm going to open this. Both. Lastly is this big thing of puffy paint. Oh, and by the way, my sister's not opening her stuff. Here it is, so excited. Need to fix that. Much better.